Right now, we're seeing an unusual sentiment score of plus 0.00, which is flat, but paired with a momentum spike of plus 0.18 over the last 24 hours. This divergence suggests there's underlying activity worth digging into, especially given the 19 semantic clusters emerging around various topics. With our API, you can pull real-time sentiment data that helps you understand not just the overall mood, but also the nuances behind it. For instance, if you're developing a sentiment analysis tool, you can leverage this data to fine-tune your algorithms, identifying which clusters are driving momentum and why. Get started with our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.